Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually download Google Doc as Microsoft Word. So somebody send you a document in Google Doc, but you're not familiar much, but you just really like it. So you wanted to actually download it as Microsoft Word, which is much easier for you and all of that. So I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. It's very important. All right. So if you notice it is yourself is a document in Google Doc. You want to come to the right of the screen, you notice this is the word file. You're going to click on that. Now when I click on file now, what you see is new, open, make a copy, right here is share, email, download, rename, move, add to shortcut drive, move to trash, version, all that. We want to focus right here on download. Notice when I come right here to the arrow to the left, you notice it show that I can download it at Microsoft Word, open text, rich text, PDF, that's the same. I want to click right here on Microsoft, right? Definitely. If you notice right up here, show you complete. Alright, and if I got the bottom right desktop right here, notice this is cell, this file explorer, I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on that, definitely, I'm going to come right over here to the download section, I'm going to click on it. You notice this is cell, this is a document, right? So I'm going to cut it and paste it on the desktop, right there. We're going to minimize all of this. So far, I'm going to paste it right here on my desktop. Alright, so this is it. So I'm gonna double click on it and open it. Just in Microsoft Word. You notice? Just the same. But then every time you see something come like this, you just click right there, say enable edit. So this is the same document, definitely in the Microsoft Word. Alright, let me minimize it. Put it window to window. So far, right here. I'm going to bring up my doc now. Show you exactly. Alright, put the doc over here. Alright, let me size it down some more. I come in right down here. Alright, if you notice, it's the same thing. Alright, so if you come like this, you can edit it in Doc. If you come right here in Word, you see you can also edit it in Word. So if you don't want to work with it in Doc, just simply download it in Microsoft Word. Just the same. That is how simple it is. Right? So if you don't get it at the first, reverse the video and take your time, go through it. And if when you get it, share it to your friend, that your friend can actually get it just the same. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.